Let's turn attention to Osun State. The state panel of inquiry on police brutality and extrajudicial killings has directed the Director of Public Prosecution in the State Ministry of Justice to appear before it on issues surrounding the death of 2 kids in 2015 by a police officer. Chairman of the panel, retired Justice Akin Oladimeji, gave the ruling in Osogbo during the panel sitting. Rafiu Hamid reports.
Oluwatoyin Adetona lost her 2 kids in 2015. The kids were in the house when a drunk police officer drove recklessly and ran into the house. Though the police officer was said to have been dismissed but was not prosecuted, while no compensation was paid to the mother.
Was dismissed by the authority of the police.
The woman could not hold her tears during cross-examination. She accused the State Ministry of Justice of negligence in the prosecution of the dismissed officer.
The panel is also interested in ascertaining the position of the proceedings instituted against the offending police officer who killed the 2 children. Therefore, the secretary to the panel, who is the Director of Public Prosecution for the state, must supply this panel with the evidence of the stage of the prosecution. Meanwhile, by consent of both counsel, this petition is further adjourned to Friday, the 19th day of February 2021, for defense to open.
Amos Adeyemi also came under cross-examination before the panel. He was shot in the mouth by a police officer at a checkpoint in Okuku in 2003 while traveling to Ofa in Kwara State. He alleged that the police officer and his colleagues at the scene were neither prosecuted nor dismissed. He, however, used the opportunity to demand 20 million naira compensation.
I was in a Dreku from Osogbo to Ofa. They stopped us at a railway crossing in Okuku. The driver stopped and he gave them the anona something. One of them has hospital, but the other one who is at the end of the other side shot the bullet inside the circle.
The cases were adjourned to the 19th of February 2021 for further hearing. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.